Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Nissan Qashqai. It's top of the range Tekna. It's just arrived, just pre-advertising it. It's going to have a few things done to it, service, MOT. It's got front park distance control. Alloys are going to be fully refurbed. So I haven't had a polish yet. You've got privacy glass to the back. Reverse parking sensors. Bodywork's really lovely on it. No scuffs on the bumpers or anything like that, on the mirrors. Boot area's lovely. Got the rear parcel shelf. Putting the Tekna, it's got the full leather interior, all in lovely condition. Electric windows to the front. Electric mirrors, electric seats. Step inside the car. Starts lovely. Got lane assist. It's on 74,502 miles. It's got 360 camera. Satellite navigation, media system, Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats, centre console, centre armrest with aux and a USB, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, panoramic roof. Does have a blind as well, as you can see. Really is in lovely condition, this car. Great value for money. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. Require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.